Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Google search bar in HTML. So when you type something in the text box and press enter, it will search what you put in the text box on Google. And this can be really useful if you're making a website that searches Google. So we're going to make a basic div element. And then inside it, we're going to make a form. Now for the form, inside the starting tag, we're going to set a method to get, capital GET, and action to google.com, but you need to type it specifically with the full URL. So https://google.com www.google.com/search. Now inside the form, we're going to make an input. We're going to set the type to text. We're going to set the name to Q. This is really important because otherwise it won't search Google. And we're going to put a placeholder of search Google. And this will be the text box which you'll type in. Okay, so now we're going to make another input. This time the type equals submit. And the value, so what it says, is search. And now if we end this off, you can see on the right here that we have a search Google text box and a search button. So if I type in cricket and then I search, it will go to google.com. Because I'm doing this on an online IDE, it won't properly work, but in practice this would work. You can also edit the text box with CSS to make it look nicer, but that's how to make a Google search box in HTML. Thank you for watching.